But after deep thinking, I zeroed down into two things that I can actually discuss about. These two things talk about chasing your dreams and actually living your dreams, which unfortunately nobody mentioned to me when I was starting out. So basically, both money and recognition were missing when I started out. So I already started out as a failure.
Come on, yeah, you are playing guitar now. I'm not. Come on, Sushan, Sushan.
सर आप मुझे
Was he a depressed man? I'm asking you whether he was a depressed man. I am asking you whether he was a depressed man.
हाँ.
Did depression set off suicide?
He was. कट गया.
No, you're not running away from my program. Give him back the phone. Viewers, he's running away. Viewers, Siddharth does not want to answer the questions. He does not want to answer the questions. This is extremely suspicious. Can we put the phone back in his ear? Here is a person, सब कुछ जानते हुए भी अनजान होके इंटरव्यू उन्होंने बंद कर दी. And this man has gone to Hyderabad. I am asking him some very straightforward questions. He should take the questions. The line is not cut. I want him to come back. There are serious questions which need to be asked here. He says he knows nothing. What I understood so far is, I know nothing. But he does admit that he gave the medicines. ये कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने दवाई दी, मगर कहते हैं मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. और जब डिटेल्स में कोई सवाल कर रहे थे, जब मैं पूछना मैंने शुरू किया कि 14 तारीख को क्या हुआ, तो इन्होंने बात करनी बंद कर दी.
एटलीस्ट सर क्या बात हुई ये तो बता दीजिए. सर क्या बात हुई? सर क्या बात हुई ये तो बता दीजिए.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time now, since Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death, a revelation made by his friend on the debate has put the spotlight on the link to the Disha Dasalian case. Tonight, Sushant's friend says that he was scared, he felt threatened after Disha's death, which means he was going to reveal something or he knew something about how Disha died. The need for a CBI investigation becomes extremely imperative tonight. With the facts. Ladies and gentlemen, the entire truth is going to come out. We promise you the entire truth. Uddhav Thackeray, hear me loud and clear. The entire truth, Uddhav, the entire truth will come out. I'll see you. Supreme Court says Bihar government is competent to give consent for CBI. That's big. That's big. That's big.
Yes.
Supreme Court says the CBI is directed to investigate. Viewers, the Supreme Court has said the CBI is directed to investigate. Breaking news.
Top story at this hour, the Justice for SSR campaign has moved to the streets of the national capital and thousands of people have united to demand justice for the late actor. Unprecedented support is pouring on the streets of Delhi, where the campaign is being led by Sushant's close aides, Ganesh Ravalkar and Ankit Acharya. Earlier today, Sushant's sister, Shweta, had also tweeted in support of the movement. She urged everyone to join the campaign and stand for the right cause, but also reminded everyone to respect the local laws and maintain social distancing.
Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput! Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput! Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput!
न्यायालय ने जब सीबीआई को कहा कि आप जांच करने को कर रहे हैं, मगर मैं इतना मानता हूं कि सुशांत सिंह जी की जगह कोई नहीं व्यक्ति अगर अपमृत्यु होती है तो इसकी जांच हमसे होनी चाहिए, न्यायिक होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए.
जल्दी में आपको लगता है कि केस को क्लोज कर दिया था मुंबई पुलिस ने?
कर रही है और कोर्ट के सामने मामला है, परंतु परसेप्शन जो बना
सीबीआई बहुत राइट डायरेक्शन पे जा रही है। 8 तारीख को जो पार्टी हुई थी वहाँ ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ और ऐसा कोई तो था जिसके वजह से मुंबई पुलिस इतनी बैकफुट गई। आप एक समझ गए, या तो 8 तारीख को और 13 तारीख को ऐसा कोई तो वहाँ मौजूद था जिसको बचाने के लिए पूरी की पूरी सिस्टम आज काम कर रही है। जिसके मोबाइल टावर लोकेशन अगर अपन हाईलाइट, जिसका नाम कल मैं सीबीआई को दे सकता हूँ, उनके मोबाइल टावर लोकेशन अगर चेक करें कि वो